welcome back sa samuyang pagbablog ni Mayor Madel. May manang tawag yan. Mayor Madel and Ma'am Madel.
Ay.
Ang vlog ni Madel, ni joke. Ikaw nga mag-intro ka, ma'am.
Kasumaga ba iniharap ka yan?
Ano?
Ikaw na daw!
Sige.
Malig pala. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Avenue Hotel para i-present namin yung presentation namin. Actually, ang galing po pumili ng 12 cities na active and performers. And it so happened na nakasama kami sa pioneer ng program ng Galing po. We're dealing about adaptive measures, adaptive leadership. Thank you. Mama Del is here to explain more.
So, ito po yung Galing po, present namin, ano yung Iriga City.
Seryoso?
Yung Iriga City. So, inano namin kung paano at anong ginagawa ng Iriga City sa COVID at yung mga calamity. So, gaano ka-prepared ang Iriga, ano yung mga measures na mga ginagawa sa COVID, ano yung mga ginagawa sa typhoon. So, at ano pa yung ibang mga projects and mga developments sa Iriga. Nakakakaba. May sumigaw pa, Diyos ko Lord! Bago kami nagsimula.
We'd like to move now to our last presenter.
Lord!
Youngest mayor ba? Youngest mayor ba to? Mayor Mads. We'd like to now present the city of Iriga and probably our youngest lady mayor in the Philippines.
Ay, tito, narinig pala.
Oh, yan. Pati yung sign of cross mo, nakita eh. Mayor Mads,
Nagtatakicardia na ako.
you're going to do well.
Nagpapalpitate na po ako.
Yung 12 cities ito, lahat magagaling. Lahat magagaling yung presentation. Grabe yung pressure. Pero makikita natin yung pinaghirapan talaga yung video. Lalong-lalo na po ni Mayor Madel talaga umakyat sa bundok. Halos ilang araw na pinaghirapan kung paano bubuuhin. Kasi, syempre, pag sinabing Iriga, talagang yung quality ng trabaho, ng presentation.
Hardest is, paano mo i-compress into 20 minutes?
Tulak ka dito sa...
Lahat na nandun na eh. Kulang pa.
All together with Lord is ready.
Ano yung t-shirt ni Mayor? Puro pareho. Ano amo? Tinasad siya na ng aldo.
One day shoot.
O, hindi rin. Pinalapan po yung uniform ko.
City was visited by 3 typhoons, which are super.
And we have our planning officer, Benji Gonzalez alias Pritos po.
Aside from that, nagkaigwa rin ba na program that was coined by the mayor herself, ang apod kayan is usad na masaring Eriginyo or a resilient Eriginyo. That encompass the ownership, and co-creation ng kapos na mga papinisyon ita.
May synchronicity.
Speaking of resiliency, I think dapat nandito din yung CDRM mo.
Yes! Dito din si Mom is here! Halika, paano ka naging resilient?
Kwentuhan mo kami, ma'am.
Kwentuhan mo kami ng pagiging resilient.
Nagpatawag na si Mayor agad, one text away, lahat po nandun. So, importante yon kasi po ang DRRM office and ang officer po ay coordinating lang po siya ng buong CDRRM Council.
So, sino-sino naman ang members ng CDRRM Council?
Ayan. Meron pong expanded ang CDRRM Council natin. Based sa mandate po kasi ng RA 10121, yun po yung limited lang siya, nasa 20 plus, 22 gano'n. Pero ang Iriga City po, meron tayong 72 C-Dream Council members. Lahat po ng LGU department, offices, kasama po doon. NGOs, private organizations, national agencies, nandun din. and even po yung ating mga communication groups, mga volunteers, nandun po lahat.
People's organizations kasama. So all sectors sa buong komunidad. Madaling mag-mobilize kasi they know their own responsibilities. So they have their own responsibilities already. So what we've said during the presentation, we divided the entire group into several thematic areas. So since they have their obligation, they know what they will do after and during calamity.
Pero ngayon, madam, hindi lang ito yung una natin sa Galimpook. Previously, marami na tayong mga recognitions.
Actually, we were an awardee before. We're one of the finalists and we presented yung program ng IRIGA when it comes to environment. Then after that, medyo naglalo sa Galimpook because naging active kami internationally. So, doon naman kami sa international. Then after that, Galimpook coordinated and partnered with LCP. So, they get to choose 12 cities that are performing. Ilang months to?
18 sessions, 18 Wednesdays.
Within 6 months, right?
3 months. 3 months, yes.
Nagagaling po kami.
Marami pong assignment. Marami.
Kahit nasa isolation ako,
Nag-aaral kami.
Nag-aaral, oo.
Impediments and hindrances. Yes! Yes!
Abangan po ninyo ang iba pang mga vlog ni Mayor Matel with the gang.
With jokes! Mas
Thank you!